What up, guys? It's Fitz here with Greensboro iPhone Repair. Just got my new WowStick 1F Plus in. This is the precision screwdriver. I'm going to be unboxing it. The last one that I got, actually the gears ended up twisting up a cable inside. I tried to fix it. Of course, WowSticks are irreplaceable. You'd think a company that makes a tool to get into other devices, that they would make their devices repairable, but unfortunately that cable was not available anywhere, nor would they offer me any warranty support. So fuck off, WowStick. But I loved it too much, so I just had to get another one. So this is gonna be an unboxing of this one. Basically break it down, show you how to use it, and also how I like to use it. So the wrapping came right off. Let's see what's going on here. It slides out like this, right? And this was honestly one of the cooler things I thought that came with the Wow Pad. Well, it comes with a really nice screw mat. So I use these for MacBooks and other computers, right? Just really good screw mat, you know. I recommend these. And if you look inside the box, everything is very organized, and it's just like kind of satisfying to look at. You're gonna have a base right here. This base doesn't charge the device. The base is literally exactly what it says, a base. It's what makes it look like a damn dildo. We got the accessory pack, or number one. This is just a case, you know, if you want to carry your WowStick around. I really haven't found much need for this, but I mean, I guess it's kind of cool if you're into like things that look like they're from WALL-E. Then we got the screwdriver itself. This is really what I'm after. Beautiful. All right, so this was kind of tough for me to figure out when I was getting this. So you push back to go to the left, and you push to the front to tighten. So back to loosen, front to tighten. I was trying to press it in the middle when I got it, and I thought it was broken. It's like, what the hell? What the hell? And then I was like, oh, you gotta press either side, and it changes which way it goes. And this one actually spins. Dope. Unlike my other one. You get a bunch of different bits. I'm gonna keep these in the case, honestly, just because I already have the bits from my old one, but I will show you what bits it does come with. So we've got the X1 pack, and this has all the way from Phillips, SL, not really sure. It looks like flatheads, and then the circles, the circular ones, and then H2, H3s, more hexagons. The thing I wish is that they put it upside down. So if you look right here, the Phillips head are right there. However, it says the Phillips head are going to be up here, and the H3s are down here, but it says that they're over here, which I wish they would have just put it in like that, so you could see exactly what you're pulling out, which I'm sure you can. Just pop it open, but it says open from that way. And then that starts confusing you, and you're like, wait, what am I doing again? You know? But I keep the cap open on that side, so I know to open from that side. Little tip and trick after using these things for months. So that's the first box of bits you get. Second box of bits likely has our T2s or Torxes. No, this is the you know, if you have different kinds of Phillips, you know, different kinds of H size screws, U's, W's, P's. Stay on my P's and my Q's. PH, honestly. Yeah, I honestly don't use this one too much. I don't see many of those. And this one's gonna have our main laptop main laptop accessories. So we've got your Torxes all the way from T2 down to T20. My favorite obviously is going to be a T5 just because, and MacBooks, you know. These are nice, T8 through T20, because they actually do have the hole in the center. And the P's are the pentalobes. Like a P2 is a pentalobe for iPhone. And then you have your Y's series, which is going to be the triangles, triangle driver bits that you would see in like an iPhone 7, plate on the newer iPhones. So yeah, that's pretty much what you get with the bits, and then you get a box of accessories, right? This box of accessories, pretty useful. I love these things. They magnetize your screwdriver. All you have to do, let's say that this driver wasn't magnetized, even though it is because it has a magnet on it. I just take it and I rub it around in here. And it also has a demagnetized one. So let's say you wanted to demagnetize it, I would take it and I would rub it there. And I like to put this, you know, with the shop stuff. All right, and then you get a little box of some extra laptop screws that you see pretty commonly. And these glass bottles are pretty sick. Kind of looks like you just ordered something, you know, magical. You know, if you open it up, like maybe a genie might pop out first. You get the charge cable, very, 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 very small charge cable, and a very small suction cup. I really like these small suction cups for Samsung back glass, just because you can get more than one on them, and it's easy to pull up and just pry underneath. That's just me though. And then you get a last thing, a pick, display pick. Obviously, if you're a repairman, you know how to use these, but I don't even touch them mainly. I mainly just use plastic spudgers, like something like this. All right, that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, give the video a thumbs up, give it a like, and hit that subscribe button on your way down. Peace.